another judicial matter, and this one concerns the 14-year-old girl whose plight we highlighted here on KTN over the weekend. The Director of Public Prosecutions, Keriako Tobiko, has now ordered the Independent Policing Oversight Authority to submit its investigation report on the matter by Thursday this week. KTN has also learned that the police are pushing for a public inquest into the death of Kwekwe Mwandaza. Our senior coast reporter Ferdinand Mboni has been following that story and has fresh details.
In Kwale, the search for answers continues for the family of Kwekwe Mwandaza. And just 2 days after a KTN expose on an attempted police cover-up of the killing of the 14-year-old girl, the wheels of justice may slowly be starting to turn. The Director of Public Prosecutions has now moved to commence possible proceedings. In a later dated 29th September, the DPP directed the Independent Police Oversight Authority to deliver its findings and recommendations to his office by Friday the 3rd of October. IPOA had informed the DPP that they were conducting an independent inquiry following public outrage at the manner in which police killed a 14-year-old girl and the ensuing confusion and a seeming attempt to cover up the execution. Keriako Tobiko noted he had already received a report from the National Police on the 8th of September, which intriguingly recommended a public inquest, while another file from the DPP's Mombasa County office dated 23rd of September recommended the charge of manslaughter. Tobiko has now directed IPOA Chairman Macharia Njeru to, quote, cause your investigation files together with your recommendations therein to be forwarded to this office on or before 3rd October 2014, end of quote, in what the DPP says will help his office make a holistic decision. Police have come under fire over what looked like an attempt to cover up a brazen killing carried out on the night of 21st August. They first cited self-defense, claiming that Kwekwe used a panga to attack one of the 8 officers who raided her uncle's home the fateful night. But the mentioned panga has never been produced. Neither has the firearm which Kwekwe allegedly broke when she reportedly swung the panga. Kwekwe's body was also inexplicably stripped naked and ferried away to Kinango District Hospital before being hurriedly buried without the consent of both her parents. The first autopsy suggested she died of cardiac arrest, but upon exhumation, that report was later dismissed as inaccurate by independent pathologists who revealed she died of a head injury caused by a high-velocity firearm. Police are also expected to reveal ballistic results of the cartridges found at the scene, which is likely to identify which officer fired the fatal shot. Many observers suggest that the public inquest recommended by police would be a rather long route to justice, considering the facts and reports already at hand. A court prosecution looks more likely, and while manslaughter has already been mooted, it remains possible that murder could also be put on the table ahead of what the DPP calls a holistic decision. Ferdinand Mboni, KTN, Nairobi.